Here's how to activate offline mode in Remember the Milk. So you're on Remember the Milk and you'd like offline access. Well, it's really easy. Just scroll up to the cloud icon here, click on that, and you'll get a pop-up window. And it gives you a little warning, make sure you're not on a public or shared device. Hopefully you're not. And then click Enable Offline. It'll say ready for offline use. And you can switch to offline mode. And then if you do that, the cloud will be crossed off. Offline mode is super useful for those situations where the power goes out due to some kind of crazy storm, or maybe someone hits a telephone pole, you name it, things happen. These things happen all the time. It's good to be prepared. If for some reason you did lose internet connectivity, and if you're someone that's on Remember the Milk daily, crushing those tasks, one day off, the internet might screw you up, might ruin your flow or your inertia. So if you're not a pro user currently, it's a pro feature. I definitely think it's worth trying out if you're using RTM every day and you do have a lot of tasks. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.